Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I've got the Christmas baubles out. I am tipping them upside down here on pop sticks, taking off the top, and I'm going to be painting them with pouring paints. And I've come up with a bit of a method for holding them up. This is like a styrofoam covered in baking paper. The baking paper is just to catch the paint drips, so that if I want, which I probably should get out, I could do a coaster dip, or I could use the skins later if I like. So the colour palette I've got here is Dioxazine Purple, Permanent Red Violet, Montmartre's Old Mauve, Naphthol Red Deep, my favourite gold, which is Arteza's Aztec Gold, Iridescent White, and then these two here I've put glitter into. So I've got a bunch of different glitters here. I've added a couple, and this one here is a bronzer. So I've put those in these two with a little bit of, this one's got some extra sheen, extreme sheen amethyst, and I've put a couple of other extreme sheen colours and some pearl marmalade in that one. I was going to have them transparent, but then I decided that they needed a bit of colour. Probably not going to see how these look until they're dry, but that's okay. Right, let's get a cup out and I am going to pour my colours into here, and I was thinking I might do sort of a couple of purpley ones and a couple of reddy ones, but this colour will be in all of them, so I'm going to start with that. Let's go some gold. Let's go the reds first, and let's try a bit of the metallic and glitter, some of the white, gold, old mauve, and what I thought I might do, because I've only done this once before, is I'm just going to put a bit of pouring medium on here and just rub it over the whole bowl, and I think that will help make my paint flow, and it will also mean I won't use as much paint, I think, because it should flow down nice and quickly. That's my theory. You know, I always love a good theory and want to test it out. So here we go, and I'm going to do it in a spiral pattern. Let's just let that flow down first. You can see I need more on this side. Okay, I'll let that drip down. I'm going to add some more colours in here for this one. I'm going to get a bit of extra gold in there. Some of the bronze. So I'm going to make this one a little more gold. I might still need to pour over that one again because it's not quite right. So this time I'm going to do it without the pouring medium first and see what the difference is. Not much difference. Oh no, I was hoping not to do that. It's pretty on this side. I just don't like this bit here, so I am going to do this, go over this one. Let's try it out. Oops. Got a really bright strip of red there. And that's pretty. There we go. That works. I'm gonna go a little bit here. Right, those two match well. I'm going to move on to my purples, unless I want to do a big one. Do I want to do a big one to match? I did think about it. I've got plenty of that colour left, so I'm going to do it. Oh no, that's not going to work. Okay, I'm going to do my purple ones now. I'll have to bring you around to this side because it looks really good on that side. But let's have a go with the purples. So I'm putting this colour in again. And the purple, some of the white, and let's get some of the purple glitter. I'm going to put some of the bronze glitter in as well. All right, let's pour this one. Very stripy. While that one's dripping down, I think I'll pour this one because I'll probably go over it again a little bit. And I might just add a little bit of the purple, the dark purple, a little bit more of it. So I've got some nice dark purple on this side. Definitely need more paint. Get some more colours in again. That's left something pretty on that side actually. I think that will cover it all, and then let's do this one. Nice. Okay, so a bit of purple in that. These red ones are quite pretty. They've become softer, and I wonder what the glitter is going to be like. I feel like I've probably lost a lot of the glitter. It's hard to tell. So let's try a little bit of the purple glitter on this one. And we're going to get some glitter going down on that side. If that doesn't stand out, that glitter, then it didn't work. But I would like to get another red one, a big one. So I'm going to see if I can stick this in and stick one on top. Will this work? Oh yeah, it might. Let's put a little bit of gold on first. Oh no. Gosh. This is going to be tricky now. I need something to hold it. I can't hold it till it's dry. No, that's not going to hold it. Well, that's good for you guys to know. So I've just stuffed a bag of sand in my cup. I'm going to turn that upside down. And I'm hoping that's going to stop it from moving. There we go. It worked. All right. I've also spread the gold over a bit. Running out of colours here. Let's just see if we can get a few of these on. I'm just going to hold that so it runs down properly. My bag of sand's going to get really messy, I think. All right. Still not quite covered yet. Big chunk of something there. That's going to drop off. Good. Now I'm going to get a bit of extra gold and copper. All right. Let's do another round. lots of stripes. These are quite subtle. And the purple ones are cool. Oh, I don't know how stripy this one's going to stay, being a big one. Could be interesting. Okay, I left them for a few days to dry, and then I sprayed them with some crystal clear acrylic to bring back those beautiful colours. I forgot to grab my gloves, so I grabbed those, and I was in a well-ventilated area outside. I gave them 2 coats each, waited for an hour in between, and then I was done. Here is the final result. And this red one here got quite a bit of glitter through the side. I don't know if you can see that sparkling away. This one is a little more subtle. And then this one here has got some beautiful stripes through it. Still subtle because I used red, you know, multiple colours of red. There are a few veins through there of the glitter, which looks kind of good, but it didn't stand out quite as much as I was expecting. Then we've got the purple colour one. This has got a really rich purple bit through it. The glitter didn't really work on the purple ones, so that was a different brand of glitter. And then this one down here has some stripes that way, and then a bit more softness through the other side. So it depends what you like, you know, you can just face it in the direction that you like the most, which is quite handy. And then I dipped these glass Cochranes into some of the paint that I had left over to make up some jewellery at some point. I like to do that every now and again. Yeah. So I'm thinking I might have a go at doing some more using resin. I haven't tried it with resin yet, but I think the glitter and the shimmer that you get with resin could be really pretty. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.